Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So your video library is where you will find all your purchased, rented and saved content separate from regular streaming catalog. So first thing, open Prime Video, like open the website, okay, primevideo.com, or open it on your device or phone, like whether you are using Android or iOS, okay. So your library is inside the app menu, so you have to first make sure that you signed in, okay. So go to my stuff or library, so tap this on mobile, my stuff, or on website look for library or my stuff too, okay. So it's my stuff here. So names may vary slightly by device, okay. So view your contents, like inside your library you will see purchases, rentals, watch lists, so everything is grouped in one place, okay. Select and watch, like click on any title, okay, starts watching instantly. Rentals may show expiration time, and what happens after accessing, you can resume watching, okay. Manage your saved content, access purchased videos anytime, okay. There are also some common mistakes or some common issues that happen, like missing purchases, so you have to check correct Amazon accounts. Rental like expired, so rental have time limits, and maybe can't find library, look under my stuff, okay, like this, okay. So some pro tips, like check your library for owned content before renting again, download purchased videos for offline viewing, or use watch lists to plan future viewing, okay. Or you can keep your accounts organized with profiles. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.